Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club, and the climb higher continues as the stock market shook off a lackluster jobs data this morning as job growth slowed more than expected in December due to a decline in retail employment, but a pickup in the monthly wage gains points to a labor market strength that could pave the way for the Fed to raise interest rates in March. So we'll have to keep eye and listen for what the Fed's going to announce here soon. But with that, we'll take a look at the charts, show where we're ending the week, and we'll change to weekly charts and show the S&P 500 here, currently trading at 2,734.20 with a chart analysis score plus 100, continuing to hit all-time highs today. Up a little over 2%, but 2.27%. Key level remains 2,673.61. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade trial indicating a move to a sidelines position. Dow Jones currently trading at all-time highs at 25,175.01 with a chart analysis score plus 100. Key level to watch will be 24,697.11. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade trial indicating a move to a sidelines position. Again, up 1.8% on the week as we start off 2018 with a bang. NASDAQ currently trading at 7,122.09, up a little over 3% on the week with a chart analysis score plus 100 with green trade trials across the board. And that's largely due to the big tech buy that's been going on as tech across the board is up. Key level to watch remains 6,907.01. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade trial indicating a move to a sidelines position. Dollar index continuing its downslide, down almost 0.2% on the week, currently trading at 91.67. Key level to watch remains 93.55. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade trial indicating a move to sidelines from a short position for the US dollar. And as we move into some futures here, we'll move this back to a daily chart and we'll kind of tighten this up a little bit so it's easier to see. And we're going to use gold, currently down today, relatively unchanged on the day. Currently trading at 1,321.20. It was down as low as 13.14 this morning. However, chart analysis score is still plus 100 with green trade triangles across the board. Key level to watch for gold will be 1,307.10. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position for the short term. I'll turn the daily trade triangles back on there. Crude oil coming under a little bit of pressure today, but still trading above the $60 level at 61.40 with a chart analysis score plus 100, down almost a percentage point on the day so far. Key level to watch is 60.28. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade trial indicating a move to a sidelines position. And we'll get back out of here and we'll go take a look at Bitcoin to see where Bitcoin stands today. It's actually up almost 10% on the day. Currently trading above 16,000 at 16,383.63 with a chart analysis score plus 100 as the volatile trade for Bitcoin and the cryptocurrencies continues. Key level to watch remains 12,291.06. A move below that level issues a red weekly trade trial indicating a move to a sidelines position and the chart analysis score plus 100. And we'll go ahead and look at two trades that I've been tracking. One's Williams and Sonoma, who got a new green daily trade triangle today indicated by this yellow box in your portfolio here that you can see with a chart analysis score plus 100. Up about 1.6% today with a chart analysis score plus 100, currently trading at 53.52. You can see these daily trade triangles are kind of whipsawing back and forth, so we'll take those out. Key level to watch remains 51.18, actually moved up to 51.18 this week. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade trial indicating a move to a sidelines position. We're still looking for Williams and Sonoma to move above this 54 level for a breakout to head higher, so we'll keep an eye on that. And we'll also take a look at Alibaba here, who is up actually on the week. We'll change it back to a weekly chart here. You can see significant gains, almost 10% on the week, issuing a new green weekly trade trial, indicating that overall the long-term trend is still down, but it is
losing steam and looking to head higher, looking for a new green monthly trade triangle to re-enter the trade, which will come at 191.75. A move above that level would give us our entry point. I find it interesting that there was a big sell-off in tech that pushed the exit from the trade on 12.5 with a red monthly trade triangle where we exited. But as soon as the first of the year came back, tech is back up and it's running back up. I still look for big things from Alibaba and believe that the stock is going to head higher north of $200. So we'll keep an eye on that. As soon as it happens, I'll let you know. With that, every success. Have a great weekend. If you're in the Northeast, stay warm. It's definitely frigid around here. And all our thoughts and prayers with everybody up in Massachusetts and Maine and New York as they're just getting absolutely hammered. Have a great weekend, and I will talk to you next week.